we've got the flagship of the Pulsar spotter brand, the Accolade 2 XP50 LRF Pro. This has recently come to the market, upgrading from the original Accolade 2. This now comes with a 25 sub-millikelvin sensor, the same as the new Thermion 2. It comes with the IPS7 battery, which is an upgrade from the IPS5 battery in the old Accolade 2. In the back, you've got a 1024-768 dual screen. Your eye cups are multi-adjustable depending on what width your eyes are, because not everybody's are the same. Built into that, you've got a 16 gigabyte memory. That's going to be 10,000 pictures, six hours of video, which is more than enough for any hunter. It's a phenomenal piece of kit, using the dual eye rather than just one eye. It's so user-friendly and everything, and you're not getting the eye fatigue. So actually to be out on sort of either open fields or on a hill all day long, using these to count deer and everything, it's just so much easier. It's really easy to use. I use one for pest control because I just love them so much. I've followed the journey through. I've had the original Accolades, the Accolade 2, and now the Accolade Pros, and they are fantastic. I wouldn't be without them. But yeah, certainly they are at the top of the budget, but it depends what you want. The picture quality on these with the 640, 480, 17 pitch micron sensor is just, it's phenomenal. You've got the 25 NATD sensor in this, whereas the old one was a sub 40 millikelvin sensor. Definitely a better image. On a sort of a dull, misty, dreary day, it just cuts straight through it. It's really exceptional. Obviously, we've sort of covered laser rangefinders on other products from Pulsar, but for any guys who are out there, pest control, deer stalking, having that laser rangefinder on your spotter is just phenomenal, and out to 1,000 yards, what's not to like about it? So this is the Pulsar Accolade 2 LRF XP50 Pro. There's Pro in the name for a reason, because it is exceptional.